Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to run the disk cleanup and recover some space on your hard disk then in your Windows 11, then this video is for you. So right now you can see I'm using Windows 11, the operating system, as the operating system on my PC. So you have to do is simply click on this Windows icon or the start button here. Then you can simply search for disk cleaner and you can find the disk cleanup here. Simply click on it and you can find the disk cleanup section. So simply select the partition where you want to clean up the disk. So for example, the C drive. Now simply click on OK and you can find it has just calculated some data that it is actually stored as temporary file or junk file, that the total amount you can find here, that 384 MB. So you don't have to worry about that because those all are actually temp file or the temporary file, or it is actually some cache file. This is not actually much necessary right now. You are free to delete them. So this is the first phase that you can actually delete these files from here. Simply click on OK and delete files. That some files can be included that is not opened up for a long time, or that doesn't used, doesn't shared, or doesn't interacted with them. So this can be included, so you can it will be better that you have checked it. Now the second step is you can go to the disk cleanup again, and from here you can do is simply find this cleanup system files. So simply click on it and select the partition that you want to go with and the drive select here. Now here you can see it is just calculating the data. So this is the second step where you can also find some more has just added here from the second phase. This is actually the overlay from here. Now you have to simply click on it, okay, and delete files, and it will clean up the drive here. That's the drive that you have chosen. So it can take much longer than the first process, so you have to wait until it completes its processing. When it's clean all of this from the core of your disk, that it can free up the space from here. So you can see it is just cleaning. Also it it take aside, you can do is you can simply click on Windows plus R button here. When you are try to open the run command here, you can do is simply search for this temp. Here it is, percentage temp percentage, and simply click on OK, and it will open up some temp file that you can actually delete. And this is where you can find, for example, let me show you. I have clicked all of this, like all of this here. Now sorry for that. So you can see all of them, and there is total 1270 items. So if I delete all of this from here, this will start deleting the amount here. You can see and this which is not able to delete, you can skip all of this from here, just like this. You can skip all of this. Do this for all current item and simply click on skip, and do this for all current item and try again, and yes, again skip, and you can see the file can be deleted, has just deleted here, and it has cleaned up some storage on your disk. So that's how you can just simply find it. And also the disk cleanup is also done here, you can see. So that's how you can just free up some of your storage file, or storage some of your storage space on your hard disk. So also you can simply go with the only temp here. So if I only search for temp and hit enter, and also we can find some temp file here. We can also delete all of this from here, and that's pretty much easy. You can see just like this. So if you can delete them and get some more space from here. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.